previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently.
Welcome to Daily Justice Time.
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 010412 and 2025 CR 011271, State versus Alexis Gabriel. Could I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Robert Featherston for Miss Gabriel.
And are you Miss Gabriel? And I'm going to need you to speak up so the court reporter can hear.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gabriel, in each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, in cause number ending in 1-2, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in cause number ending in 7-1, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor. We are waiving the repeater enhancement on that one, and then we are waiving the manufacturer delivery enhancement and proceeding on straight possession, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
In each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
In the cause number ending in 1-2, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram or 4 grams. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. In the cause number ending in 7-1, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you enter a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
She is.
Ms. Gabriel, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, the cases are to run concurrently. Punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The state is taking into consideration 2025 CR 011270, 2025 CR 011272, 2025 CR 011274, 2025 PF 24090. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense is at the plea?
Judge, I think the pre-file was 11271. So,
For the pre-file, the cause number I have is 2025 PF 24090.
Yes.
Okay.
okay. Very good.
All right.
If you said 7-1, that's the case. Did you say a cause number ending in 7-1? That's the case that she's pleading.
Okay, very good.
All right. So, counsel, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
State.
Yes, Your Honor. It is.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph in each cause number with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motion?
No, Your Honor.
Then in 2024 CR 010412, how do you plea?
Guilty, Your Honor.
In 2025 CR 011271, how do you plea?
Guilty, Your Honor.
And so that the record can be clear, that's to the lesser included offense of possession. State any evidence to support the defendant's plea.
Yes, Your Honor, the state offer states one in attachments and each cause.
No objection in each cause.
All right, state, you may be excused. In each cause, did you review what is entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. In each of the cause numbers, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we respectfully request the board follow people on.
All right, in 2025 CR 011271, as previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 010412, taking consideration 2025 CR 011270, 011272, 011274, and 2025 PF 24090. And there's to be no contact with Christine with the C, Tracy with the Y, Stovall, Stovall, Sammy, Sami, Medrano, Kashkari, Kashkari, and there's to be no residing in households with minors. And no unsupervised contact with minors. And that cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. And cause number 2024 CR 010412, as previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 011271. Take in consideration 2025 CR 011270, 011272, 011274, and 2025 PF 24090. There's to be no contact with Jaden, Jaden, Harmon, Harmon. There's to be no residing in households with minors. And no unsupervised contact with minors. And counsel, if your client has any type of drug issues or mental health issues, I can recommend the therapeutic community.
Judge, if the court would be so kind as to do so.
All right. And the court will order the therapeutic community. The therapeutic community does not increase the time that you are in custody. It's to merely help you with any type of substance abuse or mental health issues you may have. And that cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. If you don't change your ways, you're going to end up in the prison for the rest of your life. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, when you're released from custody, if you can't find a sober support home or a transitional home, just let me know. If I'm here, I'll see what I can do to help you.
Thank you, Your
All right, you're welcome. Good luck to you.
The court calls two cases, 2024 CR 010412 and 2025 CR 011271, both involving defendant Alexis Gabriel. Attorneys Megan Galloway represent the state and Robert Featherston represents Ms. Gabriel. The judge confirms that both sides have received discovery and that the state is in compliance. Ms. Gabriel confirms she reviewed the indictments in both cases with her attorney and understood them. Her lawyer waives the formal reading of the indictments. The state decides to proceed on the indictment as written for the case ending in 12, but for the case ending in 71, the state waives a repeater enhancement and a manufacturing/delivery enhancement, proceeding only on straight possession. The judge asks whether Ms. Gabriel reviewed the court admonishments, understood them, and signed them. She answers yes. The judge explains the charges. The case ending in 12, possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1 to 4 grams, punishment 2 to 10 years and up to a $10,000 fine. The case ending in 71, lesser included offense of possession, 4 to 200 grams, punishment 2 to 20 years and up to a $10,000 fine. Ms. Gabriel is informed that the court does not have to follow a plea bargain. She acknowledges she understands her rights, jury trial, confrontation of witnesses, and silence, and that she is giving them up by pleading. Her attorney confirms she is competent, understands the charges, and has provided possible defenses. Ms. Gabriel states she was not threatened or promised anything outside the plea. The plea bargain. Both cases run concurrently, 6 years in prison, $2,000 fine, and the state considers several other pending 2025 cases. She also signs the waiver of appeal. She pleads guilty in both cases. The state submits evidence, State's Exhibit 1, which is admitted. Ms. Gabriel signs stipulations, and the judge ensures she understands that evidence will be submitted through documents, with no live testimony. The court finds sufficient evidence and formally finds her guilty. Sentencing, 4/2025 CR 011271. The judge imposes 6 years, $2,000 fine, concurrent with the 2024 case, and orders no contact with several named individuals and no living with or unsupervised contact with minors. The same sentence is imposed in 2024 CR 010412, with additional no-contact conditions. The court recommends Ms. Gabriel for the Therapeutic Community Program to address drug or mental health issues. She is reminded she cannot appeal due to the plea agreement and cannot possess weapons. The judge advises her to seek sober housing upon release and warns her about future consequences.
Please like, comment your view, and subscribe to my channel for more real stories.